Hi, everyone. Welcome to our final week doing our real estate assignment. This week, we're going to be doing part 2, and it is found right here. And so I'm going to go over the statistics part of it, the part of data analysis, and you're going to analyze it. So I want to make sure that you have all the data that you need. And so I want to go through it with you. So first, there's going to be a section before I move this over. You're going to fill out the slides part 2. Once you have the data that we work on together, it's going to have a number of slides, and you're just going to explain what you think, give your results, things like that. You're going to copy those out of the spreadsheet. So you do not need to submit your spreadsheet as long as you have the information in the Google Slides. First, you're going to click on this, though. This is our actual spreadsheet with the data. And so I have already opened it here. And so this is what it will look like when you open it. And it will have a lot of different data. It's going to have, I think, about 10,000 samples or something ridiculous. It's a lot of data. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this into your random sample. So I'm going to click over in this box so that way everything is highlighted, and then right click and then click copy. And then you're going to bring it over here and right click and paste it in. Once you have it pasted in, we are going to look at the next part of the assignment. We're in a number 2 right now. So then in cell number 1, we're going to put our variable name, which is going to be random number. I don't care really how you write it here. This is just for your reference. So you're going to write random number in number 1, and then in number let's scroll back up to number 2. We are going to write equals, and you're going to click this right in the box, rand between parentheses 0 and 1 million. And so we're going to have 6 zeros here after that 1, and then a final parentheses, and then we'll enter. And when it does, it's going to ask you, let me show you how. You're not going to do this in yours. But I want to show you, it's going to, after you do this and you click enter, it's going to say suggested autofill, and you're going to click yes on this check. And it's going to give you a whole list of numbers, and that list of numbers is going to go all the way down here, and it's going to go all the way down through all of the samples. And so you're going to have a random number here. And then what you're going to do after you have your random number is you're going to sort that. You're going to sort the sheet by column I. And now that you have it sorted, you can select these top 300 samples. That is all you're going to need. You're not going to need any of the numbers below this. So that is your actual sample from now on, 2 through 300. And then you're going to copy actually from 2 to 301. You're going to copy these prices down for these first 302. And you're going to paste those over into our next slide. And you're going to copy. And then I have already done it, but you'll right click here and paste, and then your answers will pop up right here. And this is the information you're going to need to answer the rest of the presentation. So I hope this helps you, because this will give you all the data that you need. If you have any questions beyond this, let me know. Basically, you're going to interpret the data that you found. You're going to look at your mean. You're going to look at your confidence intervals. Note it gives you 95% confidence, which is what we're looking for this example. And so if you have questions as you get going, let me know. But basically, we're just wanting to see, yours is obviously going to look different than mine because everyone has a different random sample. So tell me what you think of your data. Finish the slides based on what we have been given here. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.